Good morning. So today is technically, well, okay, it's the last full day in my dorm ever. Okay, editing me here to tell you, do not come for me because my face looked crazy. At least I'm being authentic. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Because I'm very much so ready to be an independent woman, have my own dorm, make my own money, and be salaried. Okay. So also went on my website, or went on like, or As You Learn website or whatnot, and first off, hold up, introduction. So if you're new here, my name is Summer. I am a senior at Boston State University, and I did not survive yet. Have not graduated, but I am gonna be moving out because I'm doing student teaching, God willing, next semester near home. So I'll be living at home, and we're praying that goes okay. My hand is literally shaking because I'm holding this because I did lose my tripod, which we're concerned about. But it's about 6 in the morning, and I'm about to go pick up some boxes to help with moving. And then also I need to go get some graduation presents for my friends that are graduating. Love to see them make it out. Cause that's what's called an app. Anyways, so yeah, you guys have not seen my videos I've been posting about Appt, make sure to check it out. Yeah. I'm super tired, so my eyes kind of look very puffy because I just got up and I barely slept. I'm going to show you guys my atrocious room because I am trying to clean it to be able to, you know, like, move out and leave. This is my closet. Everything is still here. Shoes are still here. My scale, like, it just looks so bad. My bed. It's, like, we know, like, it's literally a mess. Here's trash that I haven't taken out. Believe it or not, it kind of looks better than it did before. It's crazy. This is all here, but I did start packing up some boxes, which is good. But here are the bins that we use. Didn't even get to finish doing that, so I have to go get some tape. But a new thing that I was doing is I like started writing down what's in every box on there and taping it on there. So reward myself some Starbucks coffee. I don't know why. As you guys can tell, the room still looks horrible. I'm having movers come in tomorrow morning, God willing. So yeah, I'm gonna put on some clothes. I'm gonna take the elevator since hopefully people are moving out right now. Maybe I should take this. I'm gonna take this stairs. Alright. They're supposed to be here, but they're not here anymore, so I'm not gonna be. People are just leaving stuff out of the freaking corner. Hey, so now I'm in the car, and the lighting is like not lighting, but it's okay. So, I think I'm gonna go to U-Haul Place first, and then I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry, or Starbucks maybe, because maybe I don't need the best of both worlds. I don't know if there's any flower shops in Boone, because you know, like, Walmart flowers aren't always the best, honestly. Let's see. Huh. So there are some flower shops in Boone, actually, but they don't open until 9. I guess the real question is, ooh, $65 for flowers? Is that what we're doing nowadays? Absolutely not. Also, we're not gonna complain about it. I'll talk about it later, but I recently just started care.com, and I have a little bit of some complaints. Like, I really do. I have some complaints. Sorry, y'all. My face was looking disgusting. I'm sorry about that. So boxes, storage bin, from Lowe's, flower place. I'll probably have to go to the flower place later. And I forgot what time it's gonna rain today, but it's supposed to rain today. I don't have anything to wear to like a graduation, you know what I mean? Like, and I want to wear white because I'm not graduating this year, but I did get an A in my math class that I got failed in last year, which is crazy.
Before, I was gonna keep it to myself, but actually, I think I'm a little bothered now.
Actually, I didn't even fail it. She literally had to make me fail so I could retake, since I got like a 72 on the average thing or whatever, which is like freaking insane. Like, this education program is something else here. I'm about to take my hair down because my hair looks cute. I was like up in the middle of the night last night, like trying to figure out what the next style I wanted to get is, but I'm doing too much. I need to go ahead and just like keep it pushing. Okay, so I'm now at the U-Haul place and I need to go inside and get some boxes. I need to pray because I didn't get to get my Starbucks coffee, even though I love how I already have some in my car. I'm an addict. At the U-Haul place, I'm really getting annoyed because a lot of y'all's people are on the road and I'm getting very upset because they're beeping at me. I need to go pray before I tell one of y'all to step out this car. Because the crazy thing is, no matter what I'm doing on this road, though, you're not changing it, though. By beeping, you're not changing it. That's the crazy thing. You're not changing it. That's what's crazy. I think I need to get no, I can't pick up 3 large. That's the crazy thing. I can't pick up the boxes. That's really the problem. I can't get all the boxes because I simply cannot pick them up. So I think I'm gonna get,
child. Anyway, so.
maybe like 2 mediums and 4 larges. Let's see what I get. Let's hope they still got boxes because they was like running out when I was there, so. Okay, hair is back up. I'm at Starbucks. I'm at the line. Today's graduation for a lot of people. Today would have been the day I was graduating. So yeah, I'm at Starbucks right now. I'm gonna get my per use. I'm truly so concerned because I really don't know if I'm gonna have all my stuff packed up. Pretty much everything is up from the bathroom except for like my skincare stuff that I'm still gonna be using. And I put my pills and stuff in like a different bag, so that's gonna be a bag that I carry separately. So pretty much I think I'm gonna get a storage bin for like my clothes. Everything is going in boxes this year because last time I took so much stuff back home. We're not doing that. I have no room for it. So everything's got to go in boxes. Boxing it all up. Bags got to go in boxes. Shoes. Okay, the only thing's not going in boxes is like shoes because I normally have like a big bag for my shoes. And so I actually might go ahead and just drop my shoes off because I'm not going to be weird. I'm going to go ahead and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But I also have a lot of cleaning to do. And I don't really have as many cleaning supplies as I thought I did. And I also have to defrost my refrigerator. That's the thing. It takes 24 hours for a refrigerator to defrost is the thing. And I've already taken that time. So, perfect. My car is also filthy. And I also got to figure out my mama hadn't responded to me. Hi, good morning. Can I please... Oh, sorry, I forgot. I made a mobile order for Summer.
What was the name?
Summer. I feel like... I hate when, like, I, like, go to talk to people and, like, words don't come out. I'm like... I got Chick-fil-A. I got Starbucks. Already drunk all my Starbucks, basically. Haven't ate my Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna put my sunscreen on because it just kind of... Yeah, I just need to put my sunscreen on. I think I'm gonna try to get some gift cards to my friends with money that I don't have. Put some gloss on because my whatever. I hate going places without sunscreen. Like, it's just not okay.
Few inches later.
So today has very much so been exhausting since I am an RA. People are literally still checking out when they were supposed to be out of the building at 12. So right now I just packed up a box and for my bathroom. But now I'm gonna start packing up all my food items. I am putting stuff in that bin. Good morning. So my parents are not helping me. I'm late, I'm in pain, I've been working, have not got much sleep, got locked out of the building. I gotta get things done. It's 6:04, movers are coming, oh wait, 6:05 now. Praying the Lord blesses me in some type of okayness. So I'm trying to wash my clothes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yes, I am not all the way packed up. My room is still a disaster. And then I also packed up my room key and my card. Don't ask me how, I don't know how I did that, but I did. And then I called my parents this morning and was like, hey guys, like, can you guys like actually come and like help? And they fully were like, no. And I was like, oh, okay. Okay, actually my mom was like, why are you waking me up? So I was like, perfect, that's great actually. I'm just gonna talk until my camera dies, I guess. I hope these still work. I'm not really sure, but it's actually pretty hot. I never come in here with my do-rag and everything, but you know, desperate times, guys, desperate times at this point. I'm actually kind of sad that I'm leaving though, now for once, which I'm gonna be honest, most of the time not sad that I'm leaving, but this particular time I actually am. One of my friends got bleach in her clothes, but my towels are literally wet and I cannot pack those, so yeah. I just cannot pack wet towels. So the movers are coming at 9. Did I already say that? They're coming at 9:45. And I'll show you guys like an update of what my room looks like. It still looks really bad because people weren't checking out of the building when they're supposed to. This is cold, so I always put it on this. It's light. House laundry upstairs. Okay, now we're in the atrocious elevators that they literally used to ruin. Honestly, like a lot of the residents did. I can barely get in. I'm having to like hip hoppy toe over everything and I only have 3 boxes left. I'm gonna fix some of these clothes and I'm literally crawling back in bed because I'm exhausted. We're just gonna pray, thug it out, that it's all gonna be done before the movers get here because my parents clearly don't care to help me, but that's what they, I don't know where they're coming. Why are you coming if you're not gonna help? I don't get it. Yeah, so we're gonna pray now.
Few inches later.
Update. So, it's about 7:37. Didn't take a sleep, a nap or anything. I'm about to lay down until like 8:30, I think. Yeah, 7:40 right now. So here's what everything is looking like. So I've moved that on the bed because I have all of those. I got some more boxes packed. The room still looks a mess, but not as bad, right? Not as bad. So ideally, I don't have that much to pack. I only have a few more boxes left, honestly. So, it's really not looking as bad as it does right now. Like, I'm actually kind of proud of myself because this is the first time I've packed up my room, and practice makes perfect. It's giving when I officially move out of my room, I'm gonna do such a good job. So freaking proud of myself. So really all I have to do is actually like physically clean a lot of things. That's trash. I have a trash bin. I'm just gonna start like putting actual trash in. So yeah. I think I'm gonna put my electronics, I have an electronic bag. And I have to clean out off this entire desk. I am gonna clean off these are literally just pills. So there was a box that I was gonna go ahead and start, basically just to kind of get everything situated and sorted. Because once this is done charging, I also can pack up the rest of my things, which will be great. So
Eventually.
Appalachian State University. He's gonna show me how to fold,
wow.
cover, and does it matter since it's going in a box?
Here.
It does matter, actually.
It
Military folding makes it.
I was never in the military, therefore.
My dad's grandpa was in the military.
So
Last year, being an RA, ever leaving my home. Since then, everything is